Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Kulkarni from Candid Advisors. This video is regarding our fundamental analysis course. So I am going to share details about this course in this video. So this is brief information about me. I have started investing at the age of 18 and I have tried more than 150 strategies for long term investing and short term trading. And after trying so much strategies, I have shortlisted few strategies for my own portfolio, and a few of those strategies I teach in my course also. Basically, we are a wealth management firm. We are into mutual funds and wealth management, and I also take stock market courses. So, if you want more information about us, you can visit our website www.candidadvisor.in. So, these three courses we have. First one is fundamental analysis. This is for long term investing. Then, second one is technical analysis for short term trading. And third one is stock market pro. This is advanced course for futures and options. So in this video we are going to discuss about fundamental analysis. Then before going ahead, I have to mention gratitude about the people from whom I have learned a lot. So I keep watching these people on television and YouTube, and I have learned a lot from these people. So first one is Ramdev Agarwal sir. He is also known as Warren Buffett of India, and he has a expertise in fundamental analysis. Then Prakash Gaba sir, he is India's renowned technical analyst. He appears on CNBC Awaaz and CNBC TV 18. Then Mr. Anuj Singhal, he has expertise in market data analysis and futures and options. I have also participated on CNBC TV 18 for 2020 budget special discussion. Then I have participated in Smart Money Show on CNBC TV 18. Then I have also participated in Investment Guide Show on CNBC TV 18. Now let's come to this fundamental analysis course details. So duration of this course is 4 weekends and 3 months support. So 4 weekends means 1 month. So during this time I will teach you various strategies, and right from the basics of fundamental analysis to various advanced strategies. And during the support sessions you will be analyzing using these strategies, and I will be with you. I will guide you, and I will also give you feedback if at all anything is required, so that you have to do the analysis on your own. So this is a theoretical plus practical course, and fees of this course is 5,500. Then mode of the course will be online, so you can attend this course from anywhere in the world. Now we also have students from US, UK, UAE, and many other countries, so you can join it from anywhere. There is no issue. Then medium of the course will be either English, Hindi, or Marathi, whichever language is comfortable to you. Then contents of the course, we are going to cover everything from basics to advanced strategies. So in basics we will cover the basic concepts like equity, assets, liabilities, market cap, then various other concepts. And we are not going to tell you only the theoretical definition or like that. We are going to explain the concepts using simple case studies, so you will understand the significance of these concepts. Then we are going to analyze profit and loss statement, balance sheet of various companies. So you will be able to know what key parameters you should look in profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Then we will be analyzing various ratios like price to earning, price to book, return on equity, debt to equity, and what impact these ratios have on stock price performance, so that you don't end up in investing any fake companies. So to buy good quality companies, this ratio analysis is very important, and we are going to tell you the everything about this, and not only the definition but also the significance of these ratios and how to infer a conclusion from these ratios. Then we will be covering magic formula of asset allocation. So this magic formula will be useful for you for investing in other investment products also, like real estate, gold, and mutual funds and all the products. Then we will be covering portfolio management. So portfolio management is all about what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. So we have different strategies for all the 4 questions that I have stated now. So at the end of the course, you will be in a position to manage your own portfolio, and you don't have to depend on anyone for portfolio management. Then this is the most important part of our course, Nifty prediction system. So with the help of this system, you can predict the long term broad movement of Nifty and Sensex. And this, knowing this is very important, because if you are investing today, so you should be in a position to predict the movement of Nifty and Sensex for next 5 years or 10 years. If overall Nifty and Sensex is going to come down, then there is no point in investing today. So having a broad direction of Nifty and Sensex is very much important, and with the help of Nifty prediction system, you can do it. This is the message which I have written on WhatsApp to my clients on 2nd January 2020. The message was that the US markets are trading at very high valuations which can't sustain for too long, so we are anticipating a crash in US markets in 2021. So I had predicted a crash in US markets on 2nd January. Then what happened after that? Stock market in US crashed 40% in 3 months. So with the help of this prediction system only, I had predicted the crash. So we can remain alert if anything like this big crash is going to come out. So we can stay away from the markets. Then on 31st March 2020, this was the message written by me to our clients, that as per our calculations, Sensex will cross 80,000, and this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Try to accumulate maximum number of shares. So this was the message written on 31st March, where everyone was fearful because of Corona and stock market was falling like anything. And with the help of same system, we predicted that market is going to go up. So our clients and we all have bought aggressively during that time. And at that time, Sensex was at 25,000. Currently, it is at 49,50,000. Then we also have small cap prediction system, where we can time the small caps, so that at the right time we can invest in small cap companies. So this is the most important part of this course. So when I meet many investors, those who are investing in stocks, all of them have all the blue chip companies like Reliance, ITC, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Infosys, TCS. The problem with these companies is that they are already now big companies, so they can't give abnormal returns. The right time to buy Reliance was 1980. The right time to buy Wipro was 1990. The right time to buy Infosys was 1995. Right time to buy HDFC Bank was 2000. So those who bought at that level, they have made abnormal money. So now at this point of time, if we are going to invest in these big companies, we are not going to beat mutual funds. So we can only get 10, 12 or 15% per annum from these companies. So if we have to create abnormal amount of wealth or huge wealth, then we have to identify the small companies which are small today in terms of revenue and profits, and which have a potential to become blue chip in next 15 or 20 years. So we have a strategy with the help of which we can identify the stocks which can go multifold in next 10 or 15 years. So with the help of same strategy, I have identified several stocks. I will share few examples with you. So this was the company called Polymedicure. This I have shared on 10th March 2020 at the price of 285. The current price of Polymedicure is 1000. So this stock has given 250% profit in 14 months. Then this APL Apollo stock I had shared on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter also. So split adjusted buy price was 445 rupees, because the company has split the shares in the ratio of 10:2. So our price was 445 rupees, and the current price of APL Apollo is 1195. So this stock has delivered 170% profit in 9 months. Then this was yet another stock, Balaji Amines. I had shared it on Twitter at the price of 620. Current price of Balaji Amines is 2400. So this stock has given 290% profit in 10 months. Then this was a company, Confidence Petroleum. This company is into LPG and CNG distribution, mostly into Bangalore. So we had shared this idea at 44.6 rupees on 1st April 21. Stock is currently trading at 61 rupees. So 40% profit in 2 months. Then this is yet another stock, Meghmani Organics. At the price of 80 we had shared on 30th September. Current price is 138. So 70% profit in 14 months. Then this is our best stock pick till now, Tata Elxsi. The point which I was referring, that for example TCS is a IT company from the group of Tatas. So TCS is a famous company, so many people have TCS in their portfolio, and but the problem is TCS is a very big company, so it can't grow at higher rate of higher growth rate. So but Tata Elxsi is a IT company, and it is also owned by Tata Group, but it is a small company in terms of revenue. So why is it small? Because it is into electric vehicle. So electric vehicle has not developed that much in the world, but it has a potential to become big. So if electric vehicle concept comes true, and it is accepted widely in the world, then the company like Tata Elxsi will benefit hugely. So we had identified this Tata Elxsi stock with the help of same strategy at the price of 1287. The current price of Tata Elxsi is 3500. So this stock has given 170% profit in 14 months. So if we have to make huge amount of wealth in stock market, we have to identify the small companies which can become bigger in the next 15 or 20 years. So this strategy you can learn in our fundamental analysis course. So at the end of this course, two things will happen. Probability of losing money will come down significantly, because with the help of Nifty prediction system, small cap prediction system, we will buy at the right time. So the probability of loss will come down, and you will be able to generate 15 to 18% average CAGR on your invested amount. So stock market has a huge potential. It is the biggest industry, and huge amount of wealth has been created till date, and yet huge amount of wealth is to be created in next 15, 20, 30 years. But the problem is we have to have the right knowledge, the right strategies, and the right skills. Otherwise, investing without knowledge is just a gambling. This is a very wonderful quote. It is applicable for stock market also. So it states that if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you from making money in stock market. And coming to the fees part, the fees that you pay is one time, but whatever the strategies and the skills and the knowledge you gain, they are for lifetime with you. So many of our students who have joined in September 2020, they have recovered the fees in 2 or 3 months only. So 1 or 2 stocks are enough for recovery of the fees. So the fees is very, very nominal in terms of the strategies and the knowledge that you are going to get from this course. So if you have any doubt, you can get back to me on these numbers. You can also visit our website www.candidadvisor.in. And so let's come together and create a fortune in stock market. Till then, have a nice day and happy investing.